morning all of you. You all please take out your math magic book. Okay? Now my voice is clear, Shuraya beta? Good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the board clearly? Okay, fine. Okay beta, let's start now. You all please take out your math magic book. I am fine beta, Sharanya. And you all please mute your own microphone beta. And I hope, listen carefully everyone. What happened beta? Shivanita, any problem beta? Oh, good morning and then ma'am. Okay, fine, fine. No problem. And let's start now. I hope you all have watched my previous classes. When the exam time, I have taken few classes and it's uploaded also in YouTube. I hope you watched and you hope you all noted down in your notebook. We practice data handling. Okay? I hope you have you written in your copy. Have you watched the video or not? Have you watched this video or not, beta? Have you noted down in your notebook? I hope you all have watched and you noted down. No, Shanaya, why beta? No, no one. Why? Whatever classes I have taken, it's an offline class. Also, you have to watch regularly. No, no one. Okay, Sujana, fine. And you all please watch, you all will open my portal and you all will watch one by one. There we practice data handling. You all will watch the video and you all will note down in your notebook whatever done in the class. You all will follow that. Okay? So let's start now. Today I want to start a new chapter, Math Magic book. You all please take out your Math Magic book. Open page number 111. Page number 111. Chapter number 10. Chapter number 10 and chapter name patterns. Patterns. Okay. How to follow the, how we will follow the patterns. Here we will learn. Extend the sequence. Okay. Now, you all please open and follow me. Okay. Extend the sequence. Here in the number 1, the first one is given over here. This one, it's like a T and that is just opposite. Again, this and this. But here is not mentioned that how many times he will repeat it. Okay. Haptushi completed. Okay, very good. Now, here we will write 4 times. Here we will write 4 times. Okay. Again, this is up and down. Okay, T, this is like this. So, this one like this and just opposite. Again, this followed and this one is just T and this is just opposite. So, please do this one and again this and this. You all please follow this and okay, 6 times. Better repeat it 6 times because space is there. Okay, so you just repeat it 6 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times you just repeat this pattern, this sequence. Okay. Shushita, beta, this is Math Magic book. Math Magic. Okay, you all please open Math Magic book. Now, next one. 2 lines and then circle. Again 2 lines and then circle. Again 2 lines. Now you have to follow this pattern. 2 lines circle, 2 lines circle, 2. This is a standing line. 2 standing line and then obviously it will come circle. Again 2 standing lines. Circle, again 2 standing line, then circle. Okay, please follow this one. Okay, very good, very good. Now the next pattern. Now follow the next pattern. This is up arrow, but there is a line, up arrow and then down arrow, up arrow, then down arrow, again up arrow and then down arrow, then again up, down, up, down, up, then down. Okay. Please, you all follow this pattern. Shaptarshi, what happened? You have completed all. Why? You all will follow me and go with me. Okay, fine. Now follow. Up arrow, down arrow, up arrow, down arrow, up arrow, down arrow, up, down. Okay. Now very good, Riyadh. Next. This one. Like B and then just opposite. Again this, opposite. 4 times given. You just write down V and it's like a not A but is like a just opposite. This one just opposite one. Again this and this. Obviously it will come this, this, and this. Okay. Done, everyone? Okay, you have followed 4 times. Okay, you can follow the 4 times or 6 times. Now I have to rub the board. Can I rub the board, beta? Okay, you can follow this one in the 4 times or 6 times. Okay. Now the next one, I have to rub the board for the next. This is called the pattern. Something is given, we are following the same sequence. Okay, here is now 2 circle and 1 rectangle. Again 2 circle, 1 rectangle. Okay, so here also we will follow 2 circle, 1 rectangle. Again here you just follow 2 times, 2 circle, 1 rectangle, 2 circle, 1 rectangle. You just draw 2 circle, 1 rectangle and 2 circle, 1 rectangle. Okay, this much only. Now, okay, very good, Shanaya, very good, Riyadh. Now, mango, apple, mango, apple. Now it's given mango, then apple, again mango, then apple. So it will comes again mango, then apple, mango, then apple. Okay, you can read 4 times or mango, apple, mango, apple. This sequence followed over here. Okay, now W and then aim, W, aim. It's like this. W and then aim, again W and then aim. Obviously will come W and aim, W and aim. Okay, please you all 8 circles and 4 rectangles. Where beta Shubhecha? Next page or the same page? Which one? 8 circle and 4 rectangles. Oh, here. Okay. 2 circle, 1 rectangle, 2 circle, 1 rectangle. Then we will draw 2 circle, 1 rectangle and another 2 circle and 1 rectangle. Then total it will be 8 circle and 4 rectangle. Okay, okay. Now you all, I hope, completed page number 111. Have you completed page number 111 or not, beta? Have you completed page number 111? Okay, very good. Then turn over the next page. Page number, okay, fine, very good, beta. Page number 112. You all please turn over the next page. Page number 112. This is called pattern. If you come to school, when we come to school, I will show it to you how to follow the pattern. One boy, one girl. One boy, one girl. This is a pattern. Two boys, one girl. Two boys, one girl. This is a pattern. Two girls, one boy. Two girls, one boy. This is a pattern. If one is standing, another one is sitting. Standing, sitting. Standing, sitting. This is also a pattern. Okay. If I call you three girls, one boy, three girls, one boy. This is a pattern. Three boys, one girl, three boys, one girl. This is also a pattern. One sequence, if we follow the repeatedly, this is called a pattern. Okay, in the sequence we are following. Okay. Now what comes next in the sequence? Here you have to, here is given the three blank. That means 3 times you have to repeat this one. Okay, what comes next in the sequence? What comes next in the sequence? What comes next in the sequence? Okay, now everybody follow. First, circle in a box. How many? 4 and 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First circle and then it's look like a sun. Okay, then again circle and then sun. This type of symbol is given. Then again circle, then this symbol like a sun, and then circle. You all please follow this one. Okay. Now next one, next pattern. Okay, Sanaya. Now next one is like this. Also 7 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First is like this. Second one is just opposite. Again this and this. You all please follow this pattern. Okay, Priyankshi. Okay, very good. Now next pattern. There are different types of symbols is actually given. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this like a water drop, and now this again water drop, and like this. So obviously will come water drop, and this again. You all please follow this one. Okay, very good all of you. Next, can I rub the board? Have you completed this much? Can I rub the board? Now flower, leaf, flower, leaf. And next is okay, very good. No, who? Shuraya? It's not completed. Board work is not completed. How much I have completed? Please, quick, beta. Draw quickly. And when we will complete, you will remind me, ma'am, completed. Okay? Okay, fine. Now, next one, flower, leaf, flower, leaf. Then will come flower, leaf and flower. So you all please do it quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. First is flower. then leaf, again flower, leaf, then obviously will come flower, leaf, and again flower. Okay. Next one, sad face, smiley face, sad face, smiley face. And then will come sad face, smiley face, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First one is, it is look like a sad face. And next one is smiley. Again, sad, then smiley, then sad, then smiley, and then sad. Okay. Sad face, smiley face, sad face, smiley face, then sad face, smiley, and then sad. Okay. I hope completed. And the next one is next pattern. Now this pattern, circle, and inside the circle there are a square. Circle, and inside the circle a square. And the next one is square, and inside a circle. And then again square inside a circle, and circle inside a square. And then obviously come circle, square, and square, circle, and then square inside a circle. So you all please follow. First one is, there is a square inside a circle, circle inside a square, square inside a circle, just opposite, and the square, circle inside a square. Then obviously square inside a circle, circle inside a square, square inside a circle. Okay. Shubhecha. Yes. 4 sad face and 3 smiley face. Okay. Very good. Now next pattern. Now this is the last pattern in this page. This is the last pattern. Can you see the board, this one? If I draw over here, yes, you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a shape. This is like a shape. And this one again. This is a shape and water drop, and obviously this is a shape and water drop, and this is a shape. Okay. You all please complete this page. You all please complete this page. Now pattern in this page, we will complete this one also. 113. Okay, Shuraya, I hope you all have given a good exam. Now the turn over the next page. Can I turn over the next page, beta? Have you completed this page? I hope yes, you all have completed. Okay, turn over the next page, page number 113. Page number 113. You all please open quickly. Page number 113. Fill in the boxes in the sequence. 2 leaves, 1 flower, 2 leaves. Now here I will not draw all this. In the blank portion, which one is required, I will draw only that part. Okay. Only the blank portion, which one you have to draw, I am just drawing this one. Fill in the blanks. Only the blank portion I will draw. 2 leaf, 1 flower, 2 leaf, then obviously will come. Which one is not given over here, I will draw only that part. Okay, 2 leaf, 1 flower, 2 leaf, then here you just draw a flower. And 2 leaf, 1 flower, and then you have to draw 2 leaves. You all please draw only these 2 blank. Others is already drawn in your book. Okay, no need to draw, only the blank portion, which one you have to draw. I am just drawing this part. You just complete this one. And the next one is 8 gap is there. Circle, triangle, rectangle. Circle, triangle, circle, triangle, rectangle, circle, triangle. Then it will comes rectangle. Okay, circle, triangle, rectangles, rectangle, again circle, triangle, it will come. Next rectangle, then circle, triangle, and then rectangle, it's drawn. Here the more blank, that means more times repeat. Circle, triangle, rectangle, circle, triangle, rectangle, circle, triangle, rectangle. Okay, now next. And which pattern is followed over here? You all please follow me carefully. Here is given how many box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First one circle and inside one written, and then 2 circle and middle 1, and then 3 circle. And how the circle is going on, you all please follow. Then 3, then obviously gap, and then more, that means it is increasing. 1, then 2, then 3, then here will come 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You all please draw in this manner. And then next one is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the next one will be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Okay, so it is increasing. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6. Okay, in this manner it is for. You all will draw. Now, the next one is 1. How many rooms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's see here. 1 candle standing, and another one is this like that, sleeping. 2 standing, 1 standing, 1 sleeping. Then 2 standing and 2 sleeping, like that, right? 2 candles standing and 2 candle sleeping. And then followed, let's see, increasing. 1 standing, 1 sleeping, 2 standing, 2 sleeping, and then 3 candle standing and 3 candles sleeping, right? You all no need to draw this one, it is already drawn in your book. Now which pattern will follow? Here 4 candles standing and the 4 sleeping, and then 5 candles standing and 5 candles sleeping. Okay, now you all please draw in this manner. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candles standing and 4 candle sleeping. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it is also increasing order. Okay. 1 candle standing, sleeping, 2 standing, 2 sleeping, 3 standing, 3 sleeping, 4 standing, 4 sleeping, and the next 5 standing, 5 candle standing, and the 5 candles sleeping. Okay. Please draw very carefully because very small spaces is given. So in this play you have to draw, but neat and clean. Your work should be neat and clean. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this manner. Okay, very good. Very good, beta. Now, next I have to rub the board for the next 2 maths. I hope you all have completed. You just write down the pattern. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5, 5. Okay. You just follow this pattern, write down. And if you can't get the time to draw this one now, you will draw it later on. Now, the next pattern. Next pattern is how many box? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here followed in a this only one leaf. And then 3. Let's write down 1. And then how many leaves? 3. And then 5. Then which pattern follow? What will be the next? Can you tell me what will be the next? 1, then 3, then 5, then 5, then skip counting of 2's. 1, then 2, 3. After 3, 4, skip 5. Then 5, 6, skip 7. 8, skip 9. 1, 3, 5 plus 2 plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. That means 2 more increase. And then here 5, the next will be 7. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the next one will be 9. Okay, you just write down the pattern. Which pattern follows this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. First 1 leaf, 3 leaves, 5 leaves, 7 leaves and 9 leaves. Okay. Okay, Shubhecha. Fine. Very good. Now the last one is, this is the last pattern with the how many box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, your another class has started. So, ma'am, please once. This is the last one. You all who are present, please write down P. Who are present, please write down P, 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 so that I can take your attendance. This is the last one. Last one I will complete the next class. Who are present, please write down P, 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 so that I can take your attendance. Okay, time up. I can't complete this, the last math. Okay, next class I will discuss. Okay, beta. For today this much. See you next class.